with your head on my chest, a warm ocean soundtrack and nowhere to be. I've run out of reasons for us not to leave and wake up in some tropical dream. I need a 2-week vacation with frozen libations and flip-flops wrapped up in a view of a wide open ocean where the world's in slow motion, an umbrella, 2 blue chairs and you. Any skyline you blue as you're walking in white ties, just smiling the way that you do. Bikini on beach, it don't matter to me long as I get to wake up with you. Just a 2-week vacation with frozen libations, flip-flops wrapped up in a view of a wide open ocean where the world's in slow motion, an umbrella, 2 blue chairs and you. An umbrella, 2 blue chairs and you.
Let's learn 2 blue chairs and you. It's choreographed by Alexis Strong. It is a 32 count 4-wall beginner level line dance with a restart on wall 3 after 16 counts and a tag on the end of wall 6. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, talk about the restart, the tag, and the ending, and then we're going to go through and dance 7 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn 2 blue chairs and you. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to do a rumba box with shuffle. So you're going to step your right foot to the right side, step together with your left, taking weight onto your left foot, and then we're going to shuffle forward with our right, stepping right, forward, left, together, right, forward. We're now going to step our left foot to the left side, step together with your right, taking weight onto your right foot, and then you're going to shuffle back with your left, stepping left, back, right, together, left, back. So try that with some counts. Weights on your left, stepping to the right. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 2, we're going to do 2 walks back, stepping back right, left. We're now going to rock back with our right foot and recover forward onto your left. We're now going to do 2 quarter pivots. So we're going to step forward with our right foot. You're going to make a quarter pivot over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot to face 9 o'clock. We're going to step forward with our right. You're going to do a quarter pivot over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot to face 6 o'clock. Now on all the walls except for our restart wall, when you come out of this last pivot, you want to make sure that your hips are slightly pointed to the left to go into the next section. So let's try that with some counts. We just shuffle back on our left. You're going to do your 2 walks back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3, we're going to do a weave with a point. So we're going to cross our right over our left, step your left foot to the left side, cross your right behind your left, and point your left toe to the left side. We're now going to do a weave to the right, crossing your left over your right, step your right foot to the right side, cross your left behind your right, and step your right foot to the right side. Let's try that with some counts. Weights on your left, you're going to do your weave with a point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 4 in our final section of the dance. We're going to cross rock our left over our right, recover back onto our right foot. We're now going to do a quarter turning chasse, stepping your left foot to the left side, step your right next to your left, and then make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping forward with your left foot to face 3 o'clock. And from here, we're going to do a rocking chair, rocking our right foot forward, recover back onto your left, rock your right foot back, recover forward on your left. And that is the whole dance. So let's try that with some counts. We would have just stepped our right foot to the right side facing 6 o'clock. You're going to cross rock your left over your right. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's face the front. We're going to do it 1 time through with steps, 1 time through with counts. Weights on your left, you're starting with your rumba box with a shuffle. So it's side, together, right, shuffle forward. Side, together, left, shuffle, back, walk back, back, rock back, recover. Step, quarter, pivot, weave, cross, side, behind, point, weave, cross, side, behind, side, cross, rock, recover, quarter chasse, rocking chair. Let's try it with some counts. Weights on your left, stepping to the right. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. Now let's talk about the restart. The restart is going to happen on wall 3. It will be the third rotation of the dance. You'll be facing 6 o'clock. It will be the first time that we come to our back wall. You're going to dance the first 16 counts of the dance and restart facing 12 o'clock. So let's dance the first 16 counts. Weights on your left, stepping to the right, doing your rumba box with shuffle. So it's side, together, shuffle forward. Side, together, shuffle back, walk back, right, left, rock back, recover, step, quarter, pivot. Right here, we're going to restart the dance. This is the only time on that quarter pivot you want to make sure that your hips are facing directly 12 o'clock so that you can step to the side and start the dance over again, facing 12 o'clock. That will then become wall 4. You'll dance wall 4 and wall 5 all the way through. When we get back to the back wall or our 6 o'clock wall, you're going to dance 32 counts and then have your tag. So everything is going to happen on that back wall. Every single time that we have a tag and a restart, you'll be doing the back wall when that happens. When we do our tag, you're going to dance the full 32 counts to face 9 o'clock, and then you're going to add on our 4 count tag. I'm going to turn to the front so that you can see what the tag looks like. We would have just done our rocking chair. All we're going to do is right and left side touches. So we're going to step right, touch left next to right, step left, touch right next to left. Let's try that with some counts, just doing your tag. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you would start the dance all over again. So now let's dance the 32 counts and add on our tag facing 9 o'clock. Weights on your left, you're starting with your rumba box with shuffle. So it's side, together, shuffle forward. Side, together, shuffle back, walk back, right, left, rock back, recover, step, quarter, pivot, weave with a point, weave to the side, cross, rock, recover, quarter chasse, and your rocking chair, add on your tag, side, touch, and then you'll dance the rest of the dance all the way through until your ending. When you are doing your ending, you will be dancing the back wall. You're going to dance 10 counts of the dance and then touch your right toe back and unwind to the front. So let's dance those 10 counts and add on our ending. Weight is on your left. You're going to start with your rumba box with shuffle. So it's side, together, shuffle forward, side, together, shuffle back, walk back, back. Right here, you're going to touch your right toe back. You're going to unwind a half turn over your right shoulder, stepping onto your right foot to face 12 o'clock, and that is how you will end the dance. So now let's go around. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, I'm going to do counts. We're going to dance 7 walls of the dance so that you can practice the transition between both the restart and the tag and the next wall. So weight is on your left. We're starting with our rumba box with shuffle. So we're going side, together, shuffle forward. Side, together, shuffle back. Walk back, back, rock back, recover. Step, quarter, pivot. Weave with a point. Weave to the side. Cross, rock, recover. Quarter chasse, rocking chair. Now your side together. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 16 counts. Side, together, shuffle forward. Side, together, shuffle back. Walk back, back, rock back, recover, step, quarter pivot, restart. This is wall 4, side together, shuffle forward, side together, shuffle back, walk back, back, rock back, recover, step, quarter pivot, weave with a point, weave to the side, cross rock, recover, quarter chasse, rocking chair, side together, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. At the end of this wall, you're going to add on your tag. Side together, shuffle forward, side together, shuffle back, walk back, back, rock back, recover, step, quarter pivot, weave with a point, weave to the side, cross rock, recover, quarter chasse, rocking chair, add your tag, side touch, step, touch, start over, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo so you can practice as much as you would like, so you can hopefully go out and dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn 2 blue chairs and you. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.